Keith, is it a surprise for markets at record highs given the inflation outlook?
Well, first, Dom, great to be with you. And it is not a surprise to us. No, we've been saying for some time that the primary market trend is still higher, that the strong momentum that we saw really from last year, those 5 straight months of gains and that strong first quarter, tend to be a characteristic of a bull market. And then back in late April, as the market pulled back, we actually upgraded our view of equities to overweight and use that as an opportunity. So we think all in all, new highs are a characteristic of a bull market.
This is one of those scenarios where the bull market can be intact, but it may lose momentum. Do you feel as though the momentum is slowing for the bull market, or could it just ramp up even more from here?
Well, when you look back historically, typically that first phase of the bull market is the strongest, right? The turn. So I think, if you think about this bull market, we've actually been in a bull market for 2 years. We're up about 50%. Historically, you tend to moderate from those levels. But I will say this, after you have a strong first quarter, the rest of the year, on average, you're up about 10%. So I still think there's more upside, and breaking out to new highs, as you mentioned, with the NASDAQ, the S&P overall, that's typically a good sign, a sign of healthy breadth. And along with that healthy breadth, you're also seeing forward earning estimates, right, a fundamental underpinning, also making fresh highs as well. So I would say, focus that the underlying trend is still positive and continue to look at pullbacks as opportunities. I still think we will get more normal pullbacks, unlike what we, in the first quarter, with the deepest pullback was 2%. Then we had that, 5.5% correction. You normally have 2 or 3 of those a year. So we'll have some of those gut checks, I think, but the primary trend still is positive in our view.
Keith, that brings us to your word of the day. And can you take us through what it is and what sectors could be part of that story?
Well, I've kind of alluded to it already. It's uptrend, right? We are in an uptrend for the overall market. And until the weight of the evidence changes, bull market rules apply. Again, sticking with that primary trend, which is up, and using pullbacks as opportunities. And as far as looking at the overall market, I think it's actually been a broader market overall as we see some of the sectors. We actually still like, areas like technology, financials, industrial, so a mix of growth and cyclicals. But I would say even yesterday, it was interesting to see that the leadership, in some ways went back to the old leadership, which is still technology. And that's where the earning momentum is actually still among the strongest in the overall market. So we still think that's a good area. I do think small and mid caps will participate. I mean, they've lagged. We still have a preference for large caps, but I would say if you're underweight some of these areas like small and mid, I think, there's probably a little bit of a catch-up opportunity as well.